Hi guys, welcome back to Personal Kicks YouTube channel. And today, as you can see, we are unboxing a pair of Converse All-Star sneakers, and these are the Chuck 70s. So these are a bit more, in my opinion, these are much better than the classic ones. So as we always do, let's take a quick look at the box first before we get into the shoes. And whilst we are doing that, I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone for coming back to watch our videos whenever we drop them. It really encourages us to, keep bringing you more sneaker unboxing in Ghana. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please, you can do that now. Also, like and comment what you think about these shoes, and our Instagram channel, our Instagram, a link will lead you to our Instagram page where we post this in the description. So please check that out and kindly follow us on Instagram. Yeah, so as you can see, these look more like the regular, Chuck Taylor Converse, but there are a few differences that I'm gonna point out. And as you can see, the rubber, okay, the vulcanized rubber on the midsole is it's a bit thicker. Okay, it's more thicker than the other one. And also these are more like off-white, creamish kind of color, and I like that look. It gives him some more vintage vibe style. Also the back heels is black and not white. So as you can see, the Converse heel tag is there. Now the materials, this particular one, I think they are recycled canvas materials. So I think that indicates it, but also it's very premium. It's very, steady. It stands very well. It doesn't fall. It doesn't do all of that stuff. So yeah, and also so since Nike owns Converse now, and just a quick notice, like my opposite neighbor is renovating their house, so they have contractors doing some stuff there. And I don't know if you can hear it, but that's the place where the noise is coming from. But yeah, we're still gonna bring you the unboxing anyway. So since Nike owns Converse now, they decided to up the Converse game a little bit. So they decided to double the insole. As you can see, it's double padded, very soft for extra cushioning. And also they decided to put OrthoLite in the insoles, OrthoLite rubber, for more comfortable, for more comfort, and also more bounce, when you walk in them. Yeah, the laces, very thick, the quality on the laces is very good. Very good, flat laces, but they are a bit thicker than, the regular flat laces. Now let's go to the outsole. The classic OG Converse rubber outsole. As you can see, nothing really special. Everything well made there, good traction. Okay, good traction. The grip is very good. So now let's take a quick look at both shoes in hand. Both legs in hand. You can see, really nice pair. And once again, a link will be in the description. So if you are interested in buying these, you can check it out or send us a DM on our Instagram page. and yeah, everything is well made. So guys, thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one because we have more shoes to unbox. Yeah.